3.5 condominium I got last year. It was a corner unit and now it's valued at kuan na siya. It's 4.4 million, so that's 900,000 property appraisal or 900,000 profits. Of course, by documents la siya for now since it's a pre-selling project. So if you can see, this is a studio project. This is a studio unit wherein included na ang imong upper beams, lower beams, and even kaning mga sink nimo on this one. And you can also check the toilet there, Lita. So this is 95% inclusive na nasab ni ang iyang mga fittings dire. So well, it's just a studio. Pero good thing ani is it's actually naagid sa Tagbilaran na. But what's the point? Is kuan yun, ang point na to is kanang getting it at pre-selling price and now it's 900,000 more expensive than the initial market value. So pre-selling, getting a pre-selling project this mall is really good. Unya, depending na siya the price appraisal niya, no, magdepende na siya sa kanang, of course, the demand or unsa ka paspas na halin. It's just the good thing about this project, paspas is na halin, it's now 90% sold out, which means nga paspasan ni kuan, paspasan ni appraise ang iyang value. You imagine 900,000 in less than 1 year. So pwede na ako na siyang marisal. Ang good thing na you don't have to pay the 3.5 million. Now I got it at 3.5 million and now it's valued at 4.4. That's 900,000 difference, but I did not really pay the 3.5 million. Take note, I just reserved it for 20,000 and I pay it 14,000 monthly until, but now, you know, I paid more or less around 100,000 probably unya kuan, but ni generate na siya kanang growth of around 900,000 so far. So you can also apply that to yourself. Update me if you want a properties nga the same as mine. I get corner unit noon to. And kuan kanang update me. I'm connected to all condominium there is Bohol, even house and lot, and I also do flipping. So the same sa akong gi kuan before, kani wala pa ko na flip because I'm holding it. I-hold pa na ko siya because I'm pretty sure mas mumahal pa ni siya later on. So you imagine nagpagawas ka 100,000 but ni-grow na imong investment of 900,000. That's best investment really. So if you need to contact me, PM in this page, or you can call me directly at 0942-416-0574. Again, 0942-416-0574. Jan Zambia, your property consultant here in Bohol.